Welcome everybody to Scheller Family Experience, and we're going to talk about how much our small little family channel made on YouTube and on Amazon affiliate. So let's dive right into it. I started this YouTube channel way back, probably I think it was like 2007, just to kind of show some videos that I had. Around 2019, I started getting a little more serious about the channel and doing a lot more work with it. So I started with a lot of how-to videos and turned it into a family vlog as well. Now, we're not a big channel. We're right around 2,500 subscribers. So it's not like this, million plus channel, but that I hope is helpful to you because small channels still can make money. So I wanted to share with you what we've made in the last couple years and see if it's something for you and what we've learned. So let's dive right into it. We're earning money two different ways. One, just from ads, YouTube ads and AdSense. So that's one way we're earning money. The second way is from Amazon affiliate. So I do some videos, some how-to videos, like how to change the oil, whatever, and I link to Amazon products. And when people click on those links, I get a percentage of that item. They don't get charged more or anything. I just get a percentage of it. So then if they shop, whatever they shop for within the next 24 hours, I get a percentage of it as well. Now, I was doing a lot of how-to videos, a lot of informative videos, and then I got more into the family vlog. And what I've noticed is because of that, my channel has actually declined in subscribers and what income it's producing. So I'm probably going to change things up, get a little bit more away from the family vlog stuff. I think that might be just a little saturated in the YouTube market and get back to some of the how-to videos and the informative videos and things that people can really take away and get information from. I think family vlog is just kind of entertainment, and I think so many people go to YouTube for how-to stuff and, travel information and where to go, what to see, things like that. So let's dive right into it. So on the channel, I got monetized in October of 2021. And October of 2020 is when I first got monetized. So that's right when I hit 1,000 subscribers. Our first month we did $69.32, and it quickly climbed. $141 in December, $172 in January, and I peaked at $246.97. And from there, it kind of started going down, $191, $181. I seem to kind of hover around that for a little while, and it's just slowly declined, $132, $105, and this is each month, of course, $90, $72. And lately, I am down to like the $30 and $40 mark. So I'm not getting a lot of views anymore on YouTube. And I don't know if I'm just losing interest because of the family vlog stuff. It's just not entertaining. So I'm really evaluating what I'm doing right now. Now, so all time, let's see, it looks like I'm at $3,177. That is my estimated all-time revenue. It actually doesn't show some of it that was prior to March. So it's a little more than that. It's probably closer to $4,000. Now that's just in my YouTube AdSense. Let's go over to Amazon. And now on our Amazon, we started off getting in April of 2020 about $100 a month. And then we quickly went up to about $241, $284, $253, $248. And then, of course, that started declining a little bit too, down to $138, And it kind of varied through 2021. We were got all the way, I think our highest one here is about $350. And then I noticed in the spring it does really well, and I think that's because of some of my RV stuff. That's kind of peak camping season to kick off. So a lot of my camping RV stuff really did well in the spring. And it just slowly declined. It's up and down, $150, $176. So now we're into March of 2023, and in March I did $101 on my affiliate. Now I did notice though I am currently at $180 for my latest advertising fees. So that has been going up. So all in all, I think it's anywhere from, $200 to maybe as much as $500 a month over the last couple of years on Amazon affiliate and YouTube. So that's currently what our channel has been doing the last couple of years. We're going to kind of shift gears. I think I'm going to get more back into the information stuff and the how-tos and where to go, what to see, things like that. Even with our motocross, I'm going to talk a little bit more about how we set up our pit at the races, how much motocross cost us, more information than vlog style. So I hope this was informative, gives you an idea of what a small channel with only about 2,500 followers, subscribers gets. And if you had any questions for me, feel free to leave it in the comments. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe to our channel, help us out, and thank you for watching.